Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be doing a random pack opening. Today I picked up from my local card store a pack of 2018 Rookies and Stars. I believe this is from a retail product because if you look at the back of it, there is not many inserts. I'm not super familiar with this product, but today we are going to be chasing a Baker Mayfield rookie because for some odd reason my mother wants one. Don't get me wrong, I think Baker's a good player, but Um, we've lived in Pittsburgh our entire lives, so not sure why she's that much of a fan of him. She also doesn't really care about football, but hey, hopefully a birthday present for her. Did pick this up, like I said, at my local card store, Sports Cards ETC. So if you're in Allegheny County area, check them out. They're great people and super friendly and have a lot of product. All right, let's get ripping into this. 10 cards in this pack. Try the other end. There we go. Alrighty. Not expecting much from it. This is, I think, the thicker pack that I got. So, alright. So first up, a Rob Gronkowski. Most of this is probably going to be base. Jadeveon Clowney. Vic Beasley Jr. Devontae Adams. Ryan Tannehill. Jordan Reed. Looks like a red standing ovation Julio Jones. Not numbered. Marvin Jones Jr. Touchdown Club. And then our rookies are going to be Arden Key for the Raiders and Dorian O'Daniel. So no Baker, unfortunately, but still fun to rip some product. If you guys could leave a comment and a like, as well as subscribe. I do believe I want to try to do these maybe once a week, maybe once a month. We'll see how everything works out. But yep, that's the video. Thanks for checking it out, guys. See you next time.